using a drone in this situation can lead to all manner of problems. And of course, we use a drone because it's a great tool of getting an aerial perspective, as you can see here. But we've got to be careful on how far away from target we move. We've got to try to have the same fundamental understanding that we need to be as close to target as physically possible. Now, the only way of getting closer to a target to make sure you can see radiation that's emitting from the surface and not have that radiation absorbed by the atmosphere is to use the tools like composite your image together and make sure you've got the right lens. Okay, so a narrow lens is a far better choice for a drone camera than a wide lens. A wide lens gives you a great field of view, but unfortunately the subtle radiation leaving a target surface is going to get lost. It will see the big stuff, but it's not going to see the small stuff. And when we talk about heat loss, moisture ingress, when we talk about looking for continuity of insulation, those are all subtle changes in temperature. If we look at the rooftop directly in the middle of this image, there's some subtle changes on the rooftop in a lighter green. Those subtle changes would not appear if this was just a single shot from 30 meters away. That radiation will have been lost to the surrounding atmosphere.